Are you searching for beautiful home? गुड़गांव के वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पॉश एरिया के अंदर DLF फेज 1 में आज आपको 500 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स का बिल्डर प्लॉट दिखाता हूँ। चलो, here we go. Let's have a look of this beautiful 500 square yards house. Let's start from the kitchen. This is the open kitchen with an island slab, fully loaded modular kitchen with a small pantry with it. Attached with the balcony, as you can see. Now let's have a look of this family lounge of this beautiful house. Look at this family lounge. This is little bit elevated. So the powder room is attached to this. And the formal drawing dining area of this house, which is again attached to the balcony and the window because this is two-side open. Look at the beautiful chandelier. Look at the air condition they have installed. Now let's have the look of this first bedroom of this house. In between, I'll show you one thing. There is one store also behind that kitchen. So this is the first bedroom. A huge designer bedroom. Again installed with two air condition. Attached walk-in closet and dressing room. And again designer washroom. Look at the detailing, look at the work they have done in washroom. Now let's move to the second bedroom of this house. Again the huge bedroom attached with the front balcony and attached washroom. Now let's move to the third bedroom of this house, which is first master bedroom of this house. So this is the first master bedroom of this house, attached with back balcony, as you can see. Have a look up the back balcony. Huge back balcony. Plenty of closets and then again attached washroom. Last but not the least, let's move to the fourth bedroom of this house, which is also the master bedroom of this house. Have a look. Look at the dressing table here. Look at the dressing they've made with the closets. Look at the detailing they have done. This is the huge room again, attached with the back balcony, as I've shown you, and then again attached washroom with all branded fittings. So this is the 500 square yards builder floor DLF phase 1. If you want to have a tour of this beautiful house, please DM us, contact us, Saluja Realty Group.